Hey everybody, let's make the prettiest salad that you've seen in a long, long time. And this is gonna be a super healthy recipe. Surprise, surprise, this comes from my mom, which is, what a pleasant surprise to me. It's like a cool shower on a hot day. We've got something that's just really nice and light and beautiful and colorful. So this is gonna be a crunchy salad with Satsuma vinaigrette. So we're looking at kale, cabbage, more cabbage, pecans, Satsuma, which is in the Mandarin Orange family, and really that's it. And then we're going to make a really nice light vinaigrette to go with it. So let's go ahead and add our beautiful and crunchy ingredients over here: the kale, the cabbage, and the purple cabbage. And look how beautiful this is. I mean, I would be super happy if I went into a restaurant and ordered this, and it came out looking like this. What a great looking, tasty salad. Brussels sprouts are a really nice way to liven up a salad. The cabbage too. Kale is, kale to me, as much as I like it, I really like it in smoothies and things like that. But kale can be bitter and needs a little citrus, needs a little lemon juice, in my opinion. But I'm gonna go ahead and put all my dry stuff together here. So the pecans right on top. These beautiful Satsumas, I'm gonna go ahead and put them on top too. You should be able to get these Satsuma. That's an interesting word. And you should be able to get them in your local grocery store. I feel Teresa breathing over there. She wants to say something. So Teresa, what do you want to
Well, no,
say?
I mean, it depends on where you live. Like some things are not as available. We don't really use the Satsuma in it anymore. We use the Mandarin Oranges, and then we're actually using blood oranges for the juice, because those are all part of the Satsuma. So if you can't find Satsumas, moral of the story is you can use optional.
Well said. Well said. I couldn't have said it better myself. All right, let's make our, thanks, Teresa, our vinaigrette. So we've got red wine vinegar, the Satsuma juice, a little sugar, a little salt and pepper, and a little olive oil, about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And whisk, whisk, whisk. This is just a really beautiful and I'm sure satisfying salad. If you wanted to put a piece of fish on top of it, that'd probably be nice. Beautiful. Right on top. Man, that looks nice. And these are all ingredients, like I said before, that you could find in your local grocery store. Salad is beautiful and it looks really fancy, but you can do this. And we'll just toss it to coat a little bit, get everything sort of married up. And that is a gorgeous salad. You know what'd be nice on that too would be some shrimp, Teresa.
No.
Scallops. Chicken, scallops, nice piece of fish. Looks beautiful. A little bit of salt. And voila. Gosh, that's gorgeous and so good for you. You will be extremely happy if you make the crunchy salad with Satsuma vinaigrette. That's gorgeous. Enjoy.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.